Hi guys, Midjourney has just added a big update, which is evaluated as another game changer. The new feature is called Style Tuner. It allows you to customize your desired style and compress it into a single line of code. As long as you paste the code at the end of the prompt, you can keep the custom style in the images you generate. Amazing! In this video, I will walk you through all the details you need to know before using it. If this video helps, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more update. This really mean a lot to me. Now let's get started. To use the new feature, you can go to the Midjourney Discord server. Type in /tune. Then you can type in your prompt here. This is the prompt I write, let's see how it works. Hit enter. It gives us a message saying that this will cost our GPU credits. We need to choose from the options. I would recommend you choosing the default 32 style directions, as this should be enough. If you want the final style to be more precisely, you can choose 64 or 128 style directions, but this will also cost more GPU credits. Next you can choose default mode or raw mode. Default mode means there will be automatic beautification applied to the final images, while raw mode will have less automatic beautification, which can result in a more accurate match when prompting for specific styles. This is a quick comparison to help you decide which one to choose. Let's use the default mode. Click on Submit. Now it's gonna take you around 2 minutes to wait. After that, it will give you a link. Click on that. And here lists 32 image styles based on the prompt we submit. What we need to do is to pick the style we like, and Midjourney will take your choices into consideration, combine these styles and create a style code for you. These images are not final, they are mainly for you to choose the style. If you zoom in, you can notice that they are very blurry. After picking the styles, you can see that a code is generated here. Now you can copy the code. Back to Midjourney, type in the old prompt or a new one is fine. At the end, type in --style, space, and paste the code. Hit enter. Now you can see Midjourney generates 4 images based on the style we choose. They are looking coherent. Of course, if you are not satisfied with the style, you can go back to the page and choose again. Every time you make a different choice, it generates a different code. So you can play around with these styles until you find the one you like. I tried some of the other styles and these are what I got. A photorealistic style. A style between real and illustration. Fancy colorful style. Next you can further upscale the image to higher resolution in Midjourney, or other AI image upscaler. As Midjourney could take quite a long time to process an image. And it doesn't support batch processing. So I would like to recommend an useful image upscaler to you guys. HitPaw Photo Enhancer is a professional AI tool designed for enhancing any images to super high quality. You can import as many images as you like to HitPaw Photo Enhancer and process them in batch. Choose the AI models on the right side. It provides multiple AI models for different cases, such as enhancing portrait, landscapes, illustration, etc. What's more, it supports 8 times upscaling, even more if you customize it yourself. And it's fast. Next, click on Export and they will be saved in your local file. Check out the details after enhancing. All details are well kept and enhanced. Cool. If you guys want to try it yourself, check out the link for more info. Alright, that's basically everything you need to know before using the new Style Tune feature. Hope this video helps. And if it does, please like and subscribe for more updates. Your support really mean a lot to me. Thanks for watching. See you next time.